Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will discuss about group by function. So what group by function does? Group by function actually groups the data. Okay. So based on the columns. So here you can see I have taken group by function, then orders table, orders country, from orders table, orders country, order state. Okay, and total sales. What is total sales? Total sales, I have taken another column. It will create another column, and the column name will be total sales. And the sumx function, current group functions, and what is based on it? Total sales. So what is actually it's doing? Okay, let's see. So I want to see the sales. I want to see the sales data according to country. Okay, I am removing it according to the country. Okay, I want to know according to the country what is the total sales. So for this I have taken the sumx function. So you know what is sumx function does. Sumx function goes row by row. Sumx function goes row by row, and where it gets the value, it just aggregates. So if I run this, if I run this, you can see Zimbabwe total sale is 3765. What sumx function doing? Sumx function goes rows by row. Where it is getting the Zimbabwe data, it is aggregating the total sales accordingly. Okay, so it goes rows by row. Then what current group doing? Current group is the subset of the main group, subset of the main table. Okay, so if I select only Zimbabwe data. Okay, if I select only Zimbabwe data, it is also a table because group by function creates a table. It is also a table. So what is the current group? Current group is actually this is the group. Okay, on this basis, it is creating the table. Okay, so I am again retrieving all of this. So I want to know, or not only country, I want to know what is the state basis data. This is Zimbabwe data. Zimbabwe sales is 3765. I want to know, there are 5 or 6 states in Zimbabwe. I want to know every state sales data. So if I write like this, order state. Okay. So if I run this, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 states in Zimbabwe. Okay. Now the sales will be dividing by this. Okay. This is Zimbabwe data. We have seen 3765 rupees or dollar, something like this. Now it is dividing the 3765 into what is the, according to the states. There are 5 states in Zimbabwe. Each state's sales data it is showing. Then Zambia, Yemen, like this. Every country it is dividing by its state's data. So what is actually doing? Current group is actually, before the states, current group was only country. And what is the basis of it? Basis is orders of sales. Okay. Before the state data, current group was this much. Current group was this much. And what is the basis? Basis was the sales. On this current group, what is the sales? This query is telling this. On this current group, what is the sales? Then I want to know the states also. Now current group is this. Okay, this is the group. This is the current group. On this current group, what is the sales? So you can see the data is actually getting divided. Okay, now I want to see the ship mode. Ship mode. Okay. If I run this now, here you can see in the states there is a same state, Harare, I think Harare. In the same state, there is in Zimbabwe country. There are same state Harare. In this state, there are two ship modes available: second class and standard class. On the second class, sales was 546, and standard class, the sales was 402. In this way, what group by is doing? Group by is dividing data according to the base of the column. What is the basis of the column right now? Ship mode. According to the base of the column, it is dividing data and grouping the cells. Okay. If I want to know the customer name right now. If I get this column, you can see in the Harare state, now it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the Zimbabwe country, state is same, Harare, and ship mode is first class and standard class. First class and standard class. But for the every ship mode, there are many customer names available. Standard class, there are so many customers name available. You can see in the Harare states. And according to that, sales data is dividing. Okay. So group by function works like this. Okay. So I think you can understand now what is group by function, what is its functionality, how it works. Okay. So I think it's enough for today. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my video, please like it, share it among your friends. So support my channel. If you support me, I will be doing next videos. Okay. It will be beneficiary for my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.